Hi everyone. So I hope you guys are having the first good couple days of summer. I feel like I haven't taught or posted class in a while, but I was gonna just do a quick kind of flow here with some of my favorite poses to stretch out hips and kind of feel rejuvenated and energized. We'll start off in a child's pose, hands out in front of you. And inhale, bringing those arms over to the right side. Exhaling here. And inhale, bringing them over to the left. And exhaling here. Bringing those arms straight out in front of you. We'll inhale here into a low cobra or baby cobra. And exhale back into a child's pose. Inhale into a cobra. And exhale back to a child's pose. Inhale into a tabletop. On an exhale, tucking the toes under, coming into a downward facing dog. An inhale, bringing the right leg up, bend the knee, open the hip circles in one direction. And then reversing the direction. Kicking that right leg straight back behind you, inhaling here. Exhale, bringing the right foot between the hands, left knee comes down, coming into a low lunge. Inhaling here. Exhale, bringing the palms down, straightening the right leg. Bending the right knee, tucking the left toes under, back to a three-legged down dog, and coming back to a downward facing dog. Inhale as the left leg comes up, bend the knee, open the hip circles in one direction, and then reversing the direction. Inhaling, kicking the left leg straight out behind you. Exhaling, left foot between your hands, right knee down. The arms come up overhead. Palms come down, straightening that left leg, sinking towards that right heel. Bending the left knee, tucking the right toes under, back to a three-legged down dog, and then bringing the left foot down to meet the right foot. Inhale forward into a plank pose. Exhale, chaturanga, knees, chest, chin. Inhale, baby cobra, upward dog. And exhale back to a downward facing dog. Taking that one more time, inhaling forward to a plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, bending the knees, gazing forward. Exhale, walking or hopping, your feet to your hands. Inhale, halfway lift. And exhale, forward fold. Inhale, arms all the way up overhead. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, leaning back in chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, bend your knees, gazing forward. Exhale, walking or hopping, feet to hands. Inhale, halfway lift. And exhale, forward fold. Inhale, arms all the way up overhead. Exhale, sitting back in chair pose, Utkatasana. Inhaling here. Exhale, Uttanasana, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Right leg comes up on an inhale. Exhale, right foot between the hands, warrior one. Inhaling here, exhale, interlacing the hands. The base of the spine as you take a back bend. Then slowly fold to the inside of the right knee, humble warrior. Inhaling here. And exhaling, slowly come back up, warrior one. And opening to a warrior two. Inhale, reverse the warrior. Exhale, extended side angle. Inhale, reverse the warrior. Exhale, cartwheeling, hands down. Right leg comes to a three-legged down dog. Inhale, forward three-legged plank. Exhale, chaturanga, both legs meet in up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Left leg comes up on an inhale. Exhale, left foot between the hands, warrior one. Inhaling here. Exhale, interlacing the palms, taking a back bend. And folding to the inside of that left knee, humble warrior. Inhaling here. And exhaling. Slowly on an inhale, arms come back up overhead. Exhale, opening to a warrior two. Inhale, reversing the warrior. Exhale, extended side angle. Inhale, reversing the warrior. Exhale, extended side angle. Cartwheeling the hands down. Left leg comes back up to a three-legged down dog. Inhale, forward three-legged plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Both legs meet up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, the right leg comes up. Exhale, the right foot between the hands. Warrior one. Inhaling here. Exhale, opening to warrior two. Inhale, reversing warrior. Exhale, extended side angle. Inhale as you reverse the warrior. Exhale, extended side angle. Coming into the bind if you're ready. Gazing over that left shoulder. Inhaling here. And exhaling. Opening those arms back up. Bringing your left hand to your left hip. Gazing forward, right hand out. Coming into Ardha Chandrasana or half moon pose. Gaze at the left fingertips. Inhaling here. Exhale, the left palm comes down, coming into a standing split. And the right hand comes to the right hip as you twist and open to the right. The right palm comes back down, standing split. Inhale, bring your hands to your heart center, warrior three. Exhaling back to a high lunge. Inhaling here, exhale, open to a warrior two. Inhale, reverse the warrior. Exhale, extended side angle, coming into the bind. Gazing down at that right foot, walking the left foot in to meet the right, weight in the left leg. And I'm trying to come into your bird of paradise, or you can always come into a tree pose. Right leg comes back down, reverse bird of paradise or bird of hell. And left leg comes back down. You can either open up your arms, coming into a triangle, or straighten your right leg, coming into a bow in Trikonasana. And we'll all come back into a triangle pose. Left palm comes down, left foot in a little bit as you fold over that right leg. Pyramid. Bending the right knee, coming into a three-legged down dog. Inhale, forward three-legged plank. Optional chin stand. And meeting back in chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale the left leg up. Exhale, left foot between the hands, warrior one. Inhaling here, exhale, open warrior two. Inhale as reverse the warrior. Exhale, coming into extended side angle. Taking the bind if you're ready. Gazing over that right shoulder. Inhaling here. And exhaling. Opening up those arms, right hand to right hip. Looking out in front, coming into Ardha Chandrasana. Extending the right arm up overhead. Inhaling here. And exhaling. The right palm comes back down, standing split. Left hand to left hip as you twist and open to the left. Left palm comes back down, standing split. Both hands come to heart center. Slowly coming back to your high lunge. Inhaling here. Exhale, opening to a warrior two. Inhale, reverse the warrior. Exhale, extend at side angle. Coming into the bind, gazing over the right shoulder. Walking the right foot in to meet the left. Weight in the right leg as you slowly try to rise up or coming into a tree. And slowly straightening the leg if you want to come into a bird of paradise. The left leg comes back down, balancing on the left leg, lifting the right. Slowly coming back to extended side angle, either staying in the bind or opening up the arms, coming into your variation of a triangle pose. We'll all meet with open arms wherever you are. Bringing that right palm down, squaring off your hips. The right foot can come in a little bit as you fold over that left leg. Pyramid pose. Bending the left knee, coming back to a three-legged down dog. Inhale, forward three-legged plank. Optional chin stand. Weaving back in chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhaling through the nose. And sighing out through the mouth. On an inhale, that right leg comes up. Exhale, right knee to right elbow. Inhale, back up. Exhale, right knee to left elbow. Inhale, back up. Exhale, right knee to nose. And bring the foot through as you come up into your high lunge. Inhaling here, exhale, left arm underneath the right and elbows away from the chest. And slowly tilting forward, coming into a warrior three with eagle arms. Inhaling here. Exhale, opening the arms out to your side for airplane pose. Left hand to your left hip, right arm down, Ardha Chandrasana. Maybe this time coming into a bent knee. And maybe trying to bring your right hand to your heart center. If you're in the bind, opening back up. The left palm comes down. You'll inhale, bringing your hands to your heart center. Exhale, hugging the left knee into the chest. Left peace fingers around the left big toe, extending the leg out in front or just holding the knee. Inhaling here. Exhale, bringing the knee or the foot out to the side, gazing over your right shoulder. Left foot comes back out in front. Right hand to the outside of the left knee or the left foot, gazing over your left hand. Bending the left heel, bringing it into the right hip crease. Hands to heart center. As you slowly bow forward. Maybe coming into a flying pigeon. And coming back down. Bringing hands to heart center. Slowly coming up. Taking the left peace fingers around the left big toe. Bringing the leg or the knee out to the side. Left foot comes forward, arms come up overhead, inhaling here. Exhale, hands to heart center, warrior three. Inhaling here, and exhale back to your high lunge. Inhaling here, exhale, hands to heart center, twisting over to the right. Staying here, opening up the arms, or maybe coming into the bind. Gazing over that right shoulder. Inhaling here and exhaling. And slowly the arms come back up overhead. Hands come down. The right leg comes back to a three-legged down dog. Inhale, forward three-legged plank. Option chin stand. Chaturanga. Always an option to skip the vinyasa, meaning back and downward facing dog. Inhale the left leg up. Exhale, left knee to left elbow. Inhale, back up. Exhale, left knee to right elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, left knee to nose, holding here. Left foot between your hand, high lunge. Inhaling here. Exhale, right arm underneath the left. Elbows away from the chest. Slowly shifting forward to a warrior three. Inhaling here. Exhale, opening the arms to an airplane pose. Right hand to right hip. Left hand down as you twist and open to half moon. Maybe bending the right knee. Maybe bringing the hands to heart center. And then opening up your arms, bringing the right hand down, inhaling here. Exhale, bring your hands to your heart center, and slowly hugging the right knee into the chest. Right piece fingers around the right big toes. You extend that leg out in front or the knee. Inhaling here. And exhale, opening the right leg out to the side. Gazing over the left shoulder. Inhaling here. And exhaling. Right foot comes back out in front. Left hand to the outside the right foot as you twist and open to the right. Slowly both arms up overhead, inhaling here. Exhale, hands to heart center, warrior three. And then coming back to your high lunge. Inhaling here. Exhale, hands to heart center, twisting to the left. Option to stay here. Open the arms or always coming into the bind. Gazing over the left shoulder. Inhaling here. And exhaling. And inhale back into a high lunge. Exhale, palms come down, left leg comes up, three-legged down dog. Inhale for a three-legged plank. Option chin, stand. Kneading back in chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale back to a downward facing dog. Pedaling the legs out one by one. On an inhale, the right leg comes up. Exhale, right knee to right elbow, optional, Ekapada Kundanyasana. If you want to take it to the chin stand, taking it to the chin stand. And trying to come back to the balance. Leaving in chaturanga. So any of those parts you can skip. And coming back into a downward facing dog. Inhale the right leg up. Exhale the right foot between your hands. Coming into your high lunge. Inhaling here. Exhale, opening to a warrior two. Inhale, reverse the warrior. Exhale, straighten the right leg, triangle pose. Inhaling here. Exhale, folding over the right leg. Left foot. Hey, Jack, can you be a little bit quieter? Folding over the right leg into a pyramid pose. Inhaling here. Take that as a no. Exhaling. Left heel comes up, bending the right knee, coming back into your high lunge. Inhaling here. Exhale, hands to heart center, warrior three. Oh, you know what we forgot on the other side? We'll come back to it. Inhaling here. Exhale, hugging the left knee into the chest. And bringing that left foot to the inner right thigh. So we'll take tree pose on this side, and we'll come into the flying pigeon on the other side. Inhaling here. Exhaling, hands over the head. And then bringing your hands back to heart center, left knee out in front. Coming back to a warrior three. And then back to a high lunge. Inhaling here. Exhale, palms come down, back to a plank pose. Inhaling in plank, exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, the left leg up. Exhale, left knee to left elbow, optional, arm balance. Maybe bring your chin down. And option to come back to the arm balance. And back to chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, left foot between the hands, high lunge. Inhaling here, exhale, opening the warrior two. Inhale, reverse the warrior. Exhale, straightening the left leg, shortening your stance maybe. Coming into a triangle pose. Inhaling here. And exhale, the right palm comes down. Squaring off your hips, folding over that left leg. Right foot can come in a little bit. Inhaling here. And exhaling. The right heel lifts, bending the left knee. And coming back to a high lunge. Inhaling here, exhale, hands to heart center. Warrior three. Inhaling here. Exhale, hugging the right knee into the chest. And bring your right heel to your left hip crease. Hands to heart center and slowly sinking down and folding forward. Option to stay here or come into flying crow if it's on the other side, extending that left leg straight back behind you, or you can always keep it bent, whatever feels better for you. And slowly coming down, bringing your hands back to heart center, slowly coming up, right foot into your inner left thigh, coming into a tree, hands to heart center. Arms up overhead, inhaling here, and exhaling. Hands come back down heart center, right knee out in front, coming back to a warrior three. Inhaling here, exhale back to a high lunge. Palms come down, left leg comes back to a plank pose. So coming into some some core work. We're gonna come down to our forearms, and we're gonna hold forearm plank here for a couple of breaths. And then we're gonna bring our left palm into the mat, our right palm into the mat. Holding plank for a couple of breaths. Coming back to a forearm plank. Couple of breaths here. Engaging the core. Back to a plank. Folding here. So inhaling in plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Inhaling through your nose and out through your mouth. On an inhale, you're going to lower your elbows or your forearms down to the mat for dolphin pose. So you know your options here. You can either stay in dolphin, you can bring one leg up at a time, or you can maybe kick up into a forearm stand. Paying attention to your breathing. Being mindful of any body parts that are a little sore today. We'll all meet in a wide leg child pose. Inhaling here, and exhale, walking those hands straight out in front of you, feeling a deep stretch underneath the arms. Inhale, bring your hands over to the right side, exhaling here. Inhale, bringing them over to the left side, and exhaling here. And bringing your hands back out in front of you. Slowly coming back into a tabletop position. Inhale, gazing up. And exhale, tucking those back toes under, downward facing dog. On an inhale, we'll bring our right leg up. Exhale, the right foot between the hands, coming into a high lunge. Inhaling here. Exhale, opening to a warrior two. Inhale, reverse the warrior. Exhale, triangle pose. This time just coming to parallel both feet to the side wall. Coming to a wide-legged forward fold. Inhale as you gaze up, and exhale, folding forward. So you can either stay here or come into a tripod. Legs slowly come up. So because we're going to work some on core today, we're going to inhale, bring our legs to 90 degrees. Exhale, open. Inhale, up. Exhale, close. Inhale, 90. Exhale, open. Inhale, up. Exhale, close. You can stay doing this, or if you want to try tucking your knees into your chest, curling yourself into a ball, and then coming back up. So inhale, we curl, and exhale, we come back up. And if you want to just stay upside down like I'm going to do right now, closing your eyes and meditate with the gravity on your head, or the weight of the gravity on your head. Holding here. Slowly, wherever you are, you open your legs. And coming back to a wide-legged forward fold. You'll inhale, bring your hands to your heart center. Exhale, bend the right knee, left toes up, come up. Deep inner thigh stretch. Inhale up, exhale, bend. Inhale up, exhale, bend. Inhale up, exhale, bend. Inhale up, exhale, bend. And inhale up, exhale, bend. Inhale, coming back up. Hands release back down. Inhale, hands to your waist. Exhale, slowly standing up. The right toes turn out. Bending the right knee, coming back into a warrior two. Inhale, reverse the warrior. And exhale, cartwheeling hands down. The right leg comes back up to a three-legged down dog. Bending over the hip. Slowly flipping the dog if it's in your practice. Coming into a rock star pose. Option from here, if you'd like, to come into a full Dhanurasana or full wheel. So I always can come into this, and I have a lot of trouble coming out of this. So inhaling here, and exhaling slowly, coming out of it. If you're in your rock star, coming out of that. Right leg straight up. Inhaling here, exhale, releasing the right foot to meet the left. Inhale, the left leg comes up. Exhale, left foot between the hands, coming into your high lunge. Inhaling here. Exhale, opening to a warrior two. Inhale, reversing the warrior. Exhale, straightening the left leg, triangle pose. Coming into a wide-legged forward fold. Inhale, gazing up. And exhale, folding forward. So option to stay here. Option if you're craving it, bending those knees. Coming into a frog pose. Arms come down. Hips can come back towards your heels.
You switch around on the treadmill.
Or you can always just stay in that wide-legged forward fold. Don't drop that on your toes, sweetheart. Okay, so they're a little crazy. Slowly, palms come down, tucking those toes under, coming back into your wide-legged forward fold if you're not there already. Inhaling, gazing up. Exhale, option to fold forward once again, or come into any variation of headstand. So I always like to try to take my arms straight back behind you, straight elbows, weight in the head, and slowly coming up. Slowly, wherever you are.
Mom is so light. Treadmill says replace emergency stops.
That's that red thing. Inhaling, gazing up. Exhale, folding forward. Yeah, you have to put that red button back on, Jeff. Inhaling here. And exhaling. We're going to inhale, bring our hands to heart center, coming back into Dandasana. Inhaling, legs up. Exhaling, bending left knee, right toe straightens, or right leg straightens. Inhale up, exhale, bend. Inhale up, exhale,
This
bend.
is a very not proper.
Inhale up and exhale, folding forward. Inhale, bringing your hands to your waist.
Don't drop that.
Exhale, slowly coming up. Left toes turn out, warrior two. Inhales, reverse the warrior. And exhale, cartwheel hands down.
Barely with.
And bringing that left leg back up to a three-legged down dog. Inhale, bending the knee, open the hip. Exhale, coming into a rock star pose. Do not let those. Inhaling here. Exhale again, option to come into full wheel. And I always have trouble getting out of it on this side. So I'm actually just gonna drop it down and meet you back in your three-legged down dog. Inhaling here, exhale, left foot comes back to meet the right. Inhaling forward to a plank, exhale, chaturanga.
What?
Inhale, up dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Inhaling forward to a plank, exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Inhaling, bending your knees, gazing forward. Exhale, jumping your feet through and coming into Navasana, boat pose. Inhaling here, exhale, Ardha Navasana. Inhaling back to boat, exhale, half boat. Inhale, boat, exhale, half boat. Inhale, boat, exhale, half boat. Slowly coming down to your back,
You have to
coming
hold
into a
it.
happy baby pose. Hey,
Okay.
guys. Don't lift anymore. And extending the legs straight up. Plugging the knees into the chest. Coming forward and back. And slowly coming back up into a forward fold. Inhaling, halfway lift. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, the arms all the way up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhaling, arms all the way up overhead. And exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. On an inhale, right leg comes up, bend the knee, open the hip. Exhale, right knee to the right wrist, paralleling the shin. Inhale as you take a back bend, and exhale, folding over that right shin. Coming into a pigeon pose. And staying there, maybe rising up, bending the left knee, grabbing hold of the left foot. So you bring the left foot into the elbow crease, right hand comes back. Maybe you come into a king pigeon. Releasing here, taking that left foot out to the side. So your right heel is going to be into the inner left thigh. Left peace fingers on the left big toes. You inhale, right arm up, and exhale, folding to the side.
Sorry. Mom, what can I do now?
And go upstairs. Inhaling the arms up overhead, and exhale, folding forward. Is it still raining out?
Let's go check. Oh, and then if it's not raining out, we have to do another exercise.
And then bending the left knee, bringing the left knee over the right knee. Inhaling. And exhale, maybe folding over. Ruby, don't throw the ball, please.
Okay.
And then slowly coming up. If you want to transition out of this through a headstand, come down, planting your palms, putting the crown of your head, slowly engaging the core as you come up. Switching legs here. You're going to bring your right foot now, left foot into your pigeon pose. And slowly you'll come down. Otherwise, just meeting in your pigeon pose on the left side, folding forward.
Okay. Mom, it's not raining out.
Okay. I'll be up in like 2 seconds. So 5 seconds.
I'm gonna go outside and talk to you. No, our last house is outside.
And slowly, if you want, planting the palms, bending the right foot, and coming into a king pigeon. Slowly releasing. Left foot into the inner right thigh. Right peace fingers around the right big toe as you inhale, left arm up. Exhaling over to the side. And slowly inhaling those arms up overhead. Exhale, folding forward. Bending the right knee, bringing it over the left knee. If that's possible, inhaling here. And exhale, maybe folding forward. And slowly coming back up. We'll do one more arm balance. It's also a good stretch, a seated kind of stretch. So you're gonna hug your right knee, or your right shin into your chest. We're gonna end up coming into Asana Vrksasana, taking your right knee over your right shoulder, planting your right palm, planting your left palm, slowly lifting up, taking those legs out to the side. Inhaling here and exhaling. And slowly coming down. And taking your left shin into your chest, rocking it from side to side. And the left knee over the left shoulder, left palm down, right palm down, crossing the feet, slowly coming up, legs out to the side.
Question. Can we do big contest?
No.
What post?
And then slowly coming down. You bring the soles of your feet together, your knees apart, inhaling, coming up, and exhale, folding forward. Maybe walking those arms out in front. You can stay here, or if you want to bring your legs out into a wide-legged forward fold, palms down, slowly folding forward. Slowly walking back up, knees together and coming to lie down on your back. And once you like, bring your legs from side to side. And slowly we're going to come up into a bridge pose. And holding here. And coming back down. Not if it's raining. Swaying your knees from side to side. And then slowly coming into one final back bend. So either coming in a full wheel or restorative bridge, or just coming to a regular bridge. Inhaling as you come up and exhaling here. Maybe you want to try, if you're in bridge, bring your arms up overhead behind you. Slowly releasing back down to the mat. And bringing your knees from side to side and letting them rest over onto the right side. Coming into a gentle spinal twist, gazing over the left shoulder. And then slowly bring them back up, reversing the legs. And bring your legs over to the left side. The gaze over the right shoulder. And then hugging your knees one final time into your chest. Giving yourself a final squeeze. And then slowly straighten your legs out in front of you, palms facing up by your side. Taking an inhale through your nose and sighing out through your mouth. With each breath, feeling your back sink further into the mat. Staying here for however long you want. Being mindful of your breathing, mindful of sounds around you. And take this mindfulness, this peacefulness, and this concentration with you for the rest of the day and maybe the rest of the week. Thank you for joining class. I'm sure that was pretty entertaining with my children in the background. That's what you get on a rainy day. Bye.